Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this May 2011 Aston Martin DBS Volante. Now this car's finished in Meteorite silver, which is always a fantastic colour for the DBS. It's kind of a gunmetal, just a classic Aston Martin colour. Let's take a closer look at the vehicle. So this is absolutely fresh into us, which I always think is a nice state to see a car in, because you can see how the previous owner kept the vehicle. So we've not done anything to it yet. It's about to go through preparation. But I tell you what, the condition of this car is absolutely superb. Let me just come around here. We'll just take a look at the wheels. And having just gone round all of them, they're in beautiful condition, as is this paintwork here. So these wheels were an upgrade with the darker insert finish, the anthracite finish inside. It's even got metal valve caps on it. It's clearly been loved, this car. I'll just scan out from the passenger side. Coming around to the rear, and again I'm just going to need to move to get a bit of a view of the car here. All the carbon fibre is in good condition. And again, the wheels on the passenger side are beautiful. You can see this paintwork, stunning. Coming around to the front bonnet, let's take a look at that. So you've got these wonderful air vents that mark the DBS out. A bright finish grille. Now I can see the odd stone chip, but there's very few on the front. In general, this paintwork's in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the interior. So first thing you can see, a DBS is 2+2. It is really tight in the rear, but this has got the optional wind deflector. Now that makes a massive difference at speed. It just reduces turbulence in the cabin, enables you to hold a conversation, stops your hair getting blown about. A really useful extra, that, the wind deflector. And it clips out. So you can clip that out, and then you've got the use of the rear seats for squeezing people into or putting soft luggage in. Now just have a look at the condition of this interior. It just feels so fresh. It's obviously a very low mileage DBS Volante, but the condition of these seats, just fantastic. It just feels fresh, and it's a lovely spec, this. So first of all, you get the carbon fibre door grab handles, contrast silver stitching all the way around, and that fits nicely with these silver speaker grills. So it's the 1000-watt B&O sound system with the tweeters that rise up out of the dashboard that add real theatre when you switch the car on. And again, we've got silver DBS stitching on the seats, and the rotary controls and air vent surrounds as well. So the black and silver theme is really consistent all the way through. The centre console's got the piano black centre finish there. That's really popular. It just works really well in a car like this. Seats. So we've got electric seats with memory. They are heated, and they also have electric lumbar support, which is nice. In the armrest, there's a bit of cubby storage space and also an iPod connection. Now the DBS also has adaptive damping, which I think is really important on a car like this. It allows it to be comfortable when you need it to be, or indeed you can firm it up to make it a far sportier ride. But overall, that cabin is really in fantastic condition. Another thing that should be pointed out, ceramic brakes. DBS is blessed with fantastic brakes, and of course when you've got a fast car, stopping is just as important as going. Now let's take a look at the boot and the service history in this vehicle. So we mentioned that you've got a bit of space behind the front seats for soft luggage if you're going away, but actually boot space in these is pretty good. So let me just step back a bit. Decent sized space for a trip. Obviously, it's no estate car, but you can get some soft luggage in here. Other features, that's just the charge point, so you can put the car on charge. Now, service history here. So this has got a full book of Aston Martin stamps, starting off from when it was registered all the way through consistently. It's done so few miles. This car has crept up bit by bit, very small mileage jumps in between the services, up until the last service, which was March 2019. So we're just about to service that to bring it up fresh and ready to be used. So there we have it. It's just a stunning, really low mileage Meteorite DBS Volante there that will be supplied with a 12-month Aston Martin warranty. It's in exceptional condition, and we will have it prepared and ready to go very quickly. Thank you for watching.